Bitcoin classified as legal property or as legal currency?
It is a commodity.
Okay.
A commodity. So it's classified as money, but also commodity, kind of like gold was. Gold used to be classified as money, and now it's just a commodity. It is a store of value for the future. Let's say that you buy one Bitcoin, or let's say that you buy, let's say $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. You don't need to buy a whole Bitcoin. You can buy just a small amount. And if you can just budget yourself and say, okay, I'm going to put $100 a month, I'm going to move it out of dollars into Bitcoin and then save it up for the future, right? Now, the store of value for the future, some people are predicting that it's going to go up to about $1 million. Okay.
I've seen that in the news. I've seen that. What are your thoughts on that? Do you really believe it could go that high?
Absolutely. How many billion of people are there in the world? Do the math, okay? There's only 21 million Bitcoin. Now, here's why it's believable. I wish I had a whiteboard. Because it's fractional money, think about what's the smallest denomination we have right now in the dollar system? 0.01, 1 penny, right? 0.01.
Yeah.
Well, with fractionalized money, or let's say digital currencies, now you can go 0.00000001, right? So you can buy even less than a penny of Bitcoin. So when we have more place value that's moving to the right and not to the left, like the dollars, we have actually in the US, there's $30 trillion in debt right now, continually being printed.
Yeah.
So why do I think it's going to go up? Because of the limited supply, and because it's fractionalized money, because we have so many decimal places that we also have, just like a penny to the dollar, we also have Satoshis to the Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is already known as Satoshis. Okay. So those are our cents. So you could have
cents are Satoshis. Gotcha.
You could have 1 million Satoshi, 10 million Satoshis is one Bitcoin. Okay. So we won't be transacting in the future with Bitcoin. We'll be holding it as a store of value. Banks will be holding it as a store of value, and the Bitcoin miners are going to be the banks in the future. And so when you look at it that way, people will be transacting in Satoshis in the future. Okay. Or Satoshis. Yeah. That's
wow. Okay. Because you're saying then that the value of one Bitcoin is going to be so much money that the average person is just going to be in these smaller units.
That's right. That's right. Yeah. So
I'm thinking, because I love money. I love having it, love growing it, love seeing it. So when I hear you talking, in my mind, I'm saying, all right, so I need to kind of grab no. So what are your thoughts? No, because people are referring to the crypto winter. Things look bad. Dropping, and a lot of people are panicking about the future of Bitcoin. What do you think?
Well, let me just tell you my investment strategy. So I was lucky enough to buy a Bitcoin when it was $650. Okay. But I also bought a Bitcoin when it was $47,000. And so I'm letting you guys know that right now it's about 19,000. This is
below 20,000 US.
So we're in 2017 prices. The reason why it's low is because limited supply. The banks are buying, the people that are in the know are buying it up. Okay. So you guys want to make sure you want to be wealthy, you buy it up. Now, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm a cryptocurrency digital asset educator. And listen, when you know that Marathon, Fidelity, T. Rowe Price, JP Morgan, all those guys are buying the Bitcoin up right now, they're purposely holding the prices low so that when everybody finally decides, oh, if they're doing it, then I could buy it, then you have to buy it at 50,000 again.
Oh, I see.
You're going to buy it from them because
the Schweppes. I see what's going on.
You see, the government has already classified it and given banks permission